this is Tom from Market Life, and welcome back to the 100 Trade Review series. Today we're going to be looking at trades 41 through 45. We're almost halfway through. Let's get started. Our first trade is FBIO, Fortress Biotech, on May 22nd. And our entry here is 272. Stop is down at 249. And I've added a green line, which is roughly where the 1R where 1R is on the trade. And the very next day we get our first sale, just around 1R at 294. And after giving the trade a bit of a chance with the rest, we get out into the negative momentum on this day at 3. So this trade is just over 1R winner at 1.1R. This is RBBN on May 27th, and our entry is 417, and stop is down around 365. Okay, we take our first sale here on the 4th of June, just shy of 1R. I probably got a little antsy with this wick forming on the day, and as Adam will tell you, once a trade gets around 0.8R, I really hate giving back profit. So I have a tendency to maybe take off some of the trade a little prematurely. And we get flat a few days later on June 9th, which seems a bit prescient because the next day we have this big decline, but that's just a bit of luck there. So that's a 0.65R win on this trade. This is RADA, R-A-D-A, and I believe it's our second trade in RADA so far. We have a nice tight consolidation here, and our entry is 519, and stop is 452. Okay, so not the best action right after we enter, but the trade does bounce back. Oh, okay, on June 10th, we gap above 1R on the trade, and I give it a shot throughout the day and take the first sale at 622. And the following day into the downward momentum, get flat at 6. So that is a 1.4R trade right there. Not too bad. Okay. This is RYAM on May 28th. Our entry is 217 and stop is 167. Okay, so we get our first and second sale on the same day here in this strong bar. So our first sale is just around 1R, and second sale late in the day is at 298. I decided to just take everything off into this momentum, take the gift, and that turns out to be a 1.3R winning trade. Yeah, so not much more to say about that. And finally today we have CLB. Our entry is 2097 and stop is 1875, just underneath the tight consolidation it's been in. And we get our first sale just ahead of 1R here, and the following day we gap above, and I take the rest off at just around 25. So that gives us a 1.3R winning trade. Yeah, there were more profits to be made in this, but that's always a trade-off between risk and give back versus holding for more. And like I mentioned in previous videos, I drift more and more towards trying to capture around 1R as reliably as possible versus trying to hit home runs with these trades. All right, so that's I think the best 5 trades in a row we've had yet. If you add up the R for all of them, we're over 5R for this session. Okay, we'll see you next time.